Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we've got the pop in the box. So this is two Disney boxes I get a month. About 20 quid, so it's £10 about each. Right about that. And yeah, so about £20 a month. 2 boxes of pop. Can't remember anything else, but now last month was quite a surprise because obviously I did get 3 bumps, which was pretty awesome. So that was pretty cool. So we're gonna find out what we've got in this one. Tape has been cut. I do know what's inside it. So the first one is Yes. So this is the pop in the box from Wreck-It Ralph Breaks the Internet. That's what she looks like. So I already have this one, and this one here already. Now I just need to get these four. So that's a pretty pop. I'm not going to take off the pops out of the package at the moment, because I do want to keep these kind of in the box, but I will later in the day, like, show you guys out the box kind of thing. And then our next pop is this one. Wait. Oh my god. This is the one with the ones I thumbed up. So this is Lilo and Stitch. This is the pop in the box exclusive. This is the superhero Stitch. That's what it looks like. This is what you can get in the collection, but this is like the exclusive. I like this one. Oh my god, yes please, thank you. Ooh, that was close. So, this pop is amazing. Look at it, it's so cute. So these pops is what I got for this month of April. So, I have no words I don't want to say. Short video, but yeah. These are the 2 pops I got. I'm really happy with this one because I did not expect to get a Lilo Stitch one. This is the first Lilo Stitch pop I've got ever. First pop. More collection of this. Now I just have to sort my part out. So this is what we got, and I'm actually super happy with that. I said that just 3 times. I said that now. Video sticks. So anyway guys, I'll see you guys next month for May's pop in the box. I can't wait. And also, if you haven't seen the video yet, if you are new as well, there's a video that is update for May and June. There's a Q&A that I'm going to be doing soon in that month, those 2 days. If you have any questions you'd like to ask me, please comment down in that video and I will answer them. Also, part 2 of the monthly haul will be coming out soon as well. And Aki Bento box will be arriving soon. I might have it, I'm not too sure. I've got 2 little tickets to go to the post office. I don't know what they are yet, so I'll find out those tomorrow. So hopefully Aki Bento film will be filming soon. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next month. Bye bye.